friend, myself Aman, and in this video I am going to talk about very interesting topic, and the topic is power of silence. I am making this video not to giving you any type of lecture, not to giving you any type of good knowledge. I am only making this video to improve my English, to learn my English, to improve my English as a very good level. So that's why I am here. So if you will find any type of mistake in my vocabulary, in my sentences, in my pronunciation, then you should avoid, because this is not any type of teaching. This video is not any type of teaching purpose. So if you are watching this video and if you want to improve your English by this method, then you can do. Of course, I think it is very good method to learn English. When you will upload one video every day on a particular topic on YouTube, then you can learn more. So through this video I am going to learn English. For that I am going to speak on the power of silence. So silence means, what do you understand uh, by the meaning of silence? So silence means you are you know that you know very well that where we have to speak and where we have not to speak. So it is the, you can say, definition of the silence. So silent does not mean that you should not speak. You should speak where you need, you should speak, but you need to focus where you have to speak, when you have to speak, and what you have to speak, because it is very important thing for our life, for our for our daily life. Because we talk to so many person during a day, but sometime we get frustrated, we get sad, even that we get nervous due to the, because due to the some things, some matter, because we speak some sentences uh, without thinking without thinking. So you need to understand the power of silence. Power of silence means you should try to speak only that type of things which is important. No talk unnecessary thing, because if you are talking to the unnecessary thing, then you are decreasing your energy, you are reducing your energy. You are going to be, when you will talk more, when you will speak more, then people will say you are talk active, you are stupid, you are silly. But I mean, whatever you talk, you should talk, you should speak on you should speak on that thing which people can understand well, by which people can give you respect, by which people can appreciate you. You should try to talk that type of topic. Don't talk at that type of topic in which people get too bored, in which people get too nervous. So you need to understand. So I think most of the people are thinking, what we should speak more or not. So of course we should not more speak, because when you will speak, then you cannot think more. If you want to think more, if you want to think from your spirit, then you need to silence. So this is the power of silence. Silence means, you can use this weapon to change your heart, to change your mind, to change your thought. So if you will if you are silent person, of course you are a good person. I am not saying you have to silence at that place where you are seeing that any bad thing is happening and still you are quiet. It does not mean. It means you are speaking less, you are or you only speak on a particular thing, you don't speak it means you don't speak unnecessary thing, you don't spend your time on unnecessary thing. Silence means it. So we should need to understand what is the meaning of silence. So by the help of this power, you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life, because this is very big power. By the help of this power, you can do better, you can save your time, you can manage your time, because we talk too much on so many things, on so many topic during a day, and after this we don't get any kind of good result. So you can understand that you are wasting too much your time to talk on the unnecessary things. If you want to save your time, then you need to become silent person. And I know that if you will speak more, if you will speak more, of course you will speak something wrong. If you are speaking more, of course you will speak something wrong. It is not your problem. It is the problem of human beings. We are human beings. When we talk on some particular topic, it is a obvious thing, it is general thing that we will do any kind of mistake, we will do any type of small mistake, big mistake. It's a very simple thing, it's not your mistake. Because when you will speak, of course you will make mistake. You will speak some sentence which can give you hurt, which can make you sad, which can make you frustrated, which can make you nervous. So when you will speak more, of course you will make big mistake. When you will make big mistake, of course you will be unhappy during a day. So if you want to happy, if you want to live good life, try to try to utilizing the power of silence, because it is very good power for all of you. You can use this power for your benefit, for the people. So it is very good power for you. And as well as I think if you are speaking more, then of course people will understand that you are not educated person. Because you are speaking more, you don't know where we have to speak, where what we have to speak. So they will most of the I know the people who is educated, who know who is educated, they speak less. I know very well the people who speak uh, who are educated, they speak less, they don't speak more. Because they know if I will speak more, then I will waste my energy. If I will speak more, of course I will do some mistake. So you should try to speak on some particular thing. When you will start to speak some particular thing, of course people will listen you carefully. Because when you will talk every time, when you will speak every time, most of the people will don't focus, don't care your word, don't focus on your word. But when you will speak on a particular time, on a specific time, then of course most of the people will concentrate on your word. Most of the people will mesmerized your will be mesmerized your word. Because you are not speaking always, you speak very less time. So this is the psychology of the people. I observed that this is the psychology of the human minds. When we speak more, people try to ignore us, people try to avoid us. But when we speak less, when we speak on a particular things, of course people gives a lot of knowledge. People give a lot of, I mean, respect to us. People give lot of respect to us. So it is very good thing of utilizing your power, getting respect in a society, and learn more. When you will learn to, when we will listen to other person, you will understand so many things from other. When you will listen to other person, you can get too much knowledge from others. But when you will speak always, when you will try to express your thought front of other, of course you can only express your thought. You cannot achieve any other thought, you cannot achieve any external thought. Because the people who is talking with you, he has something special. If you want to get that thing from them, of course he need to listen him. when you will listen him carefully, when you will observe on his talk carefully, of course you can get more knowledge during a day, and you can make your life in other direction. You can turn your life in the a good direction. So you try to speak less and try to listen the other thought other. Suppose that you are talking to me and I am talking with you, and you know only that thing. I think if I am talking with you, then I know only that thing which learn which I learned. But you and you know that thing which you learned. Of course you will give me some more thing which I don't know, which I didn't learn. So it is good way of acquiring the knowledge from the outside, to listen to the other people, to focus to the other people. Because when you will focus to other people, then of course they will understand. If you are listening to me, of course I understand, I will understand that you are, and you understand my words very good way. I will respect you. When you will listen to some person, then of course he will understand that you are good listener. They will be happy and they will try to join with you. But when you will go to him and when you will try to speak, of course he will think that this person is just speaking more, I have to make distance from him. I have to make distance from him, he will think. Uh, because today everyone want to speak. When you will sit on a coffee shop, then you will find that everyone want to speak. Nobody want to listen anyone things. Everyone want to speak. Teacher, when you will go to school and so many, I am student, so I know so many teacher when they come to class, they don't know the syllabus, they don't teach syllabus. They try to talk unnecessary thing which is not important, which is not related to the subject, and they spend a lot of time on that thing. So you can understand that most of the people try to speak. But if you can listen, so listening is the very good skill. I know it become difficult task for you, but it is very good power. It is very good skill which can you utilize. When somebody scold us, when somebody scold us, we try to give the response. But if you are silent, I know so many things, so many matters, so many quarrel, so many ripples you can solve without fighting, without creating any type of bad relationship between them. You can solve by the power of silence. If anybody is saying to you any misword, anybody is saying to you wrong word, don't concentrate on them. Because when you will go to response him, how can you handle to the, so how can you handle to every people? Because there are so many people upon this earth. When you will go to answer to every person, when you will go to answer to the every person, it will become very difficult task for you to be having to every person, to giving the answer of every person. So you need to aware that we have to avoid so many things. We should try to focus myself, how can I utilize my time and how can I grow more. This is the good way of learning, this is the good way of living life, this is the good way of the doing our work. So by the this formula, you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Because without sacrifice, without difficulties, without facing difficulties, without giving sacrifice, without struggling, you can't achieve anything. I am suggesting to do to you, you have to follow the rule of silence. Of course it is very difficult task. I am not saying that it will happen within 1 day, within 2 days. You need to do practice every day, every night, then it will be happen. That's why I am saying you have to face different type of problem in your life. When you will try to improve to yourself, to turn your ideas from one side to other side. So you need to understand that without struggling, without making effort, nothing will happen. You will pass, you will pass difficulty more, and when you will get success, it was not, it will not whole success. It will be success of one phase of the life. When you will success one phase of the life, then you will have to go for another phase of the life. So you need to take the enjoy of your journey, and you need to be silent and try to help to the other people, because when you will help to other people, silent try to come in your habit automatically. I felt this when you will help to other people, so the power of silence will come automatically in your heart, in your habit. And when you will become the master of silence, of course, you can think more. You can think you can increase your mental approach, because your mind, if you want to, your mind want to do something. If you are speaking more, your mind will focus on the speaking. But if your mind is peace, if your mind is calm, if there is no disturbance, small and big in your mind, if there is not any small and big disturbance running in your mind, of course your mind will try to think any good thing. Your mind will go to think any good ideas. So because it is the human psychology, I felt this. If your mind is empty, of course it will be good to think something. Suppose that you are watching mobile, and you are watching a movie. At that time, your mind nothing will think another than the movie. Your mind will only concentrate on the movie, on the part of movie, on the villains, on the hero of the movie, on the story of the movie. Your mind will only focus that type of thing. But if you are not watching a movie, if you are sitting on a place, and if you are not doing anything, your mind will go to think something. And when your mind will go to think something, of course he will think something good that will give you immense pleasure, and that will help you a lot in your career. So you need to tell to yourself, then we will have to follow the power of silence, and we have to become the master of the silence. When you will become the master of silence, of course you can think more, you can boost your energy, and you can increase your mental approach. So I would like to tell you, try to be silent. So many people asking me, what is the rule, how can we become silence? Because I am speaking very good, I can't able to control on my mind, because we are a computer. As our mind processing, we respond to the same. So I would like to tell to everyone who is facing this type of the problem, that he want to improve ourselves, he want to become the master of silence, but they are not able to do this because of some problem, So I would like to recommend you that you should do meditation every day, at least 10 minutes. If you can do the meditation every day at least 10 minutes, you will see result very soon, because it is not new things. So many sects, so many priests, so many mahatma, and so many saints has followed this routine, and they changed his life, they altered his life. So if you want to also alter your life, then you should follow this rule, you should follow this strategy. So if you will follow my all rules, of course you will give very good result, and by alter your idea you can alter your life. So it is good way of learning. It is good way of increasing your mental approach. It is good way of to be silent. So I would like to only tell you, be silent, be quiet, be calm, be peace, and take to try to feel outside energy. It will help you a lot. So I will see you in the next video. And what is your response about this video? I will try to improve myself in the next video. Okay.